Bing bing. Okay, YouTube, what up? I'm back with another dope unboxing. I'm here with the Aukey. I don't know how to say that. Aukey touch control LED lamp. Something for a little studio ambiance. It's made in China. I found it in Amazon. It's very colorful by way of marketing, the pictures, the videos. So I figured, hey, add a little color, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so it was good to have a light. So I want to see how bright this light is when it comes to writing lyrics on paper, because I still do that sometimes. And then at the same time, see how touch sensitive it is and what the colors are like. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this like a swimming pool to a diving board, and let's go. We got a bunch of cellophane, so I'm gonna use my trusty tech tool to cut this plastic. Remember, kids, respect the blade will respect you. Disrespect the blade, and the blade will disrespect you. You don't want that. Alright, so we'll take this plastic off. See if that'll slide out. I don't think it'll slide out. Oh, it's just cellophane, so it's cool. Try not to take it out of the frame. So it's real cellophane, like some 1980s cellophane. So open the box. This is real 1983 cardboard too. First thing I see is some packaging. Got a box, and inside this box we have a power cord. Cool. Go ahead and take that twist tie off, because we're gonna plug this in, and I'll plug that in out of frame, just because cable management is very important. Alright. Man, this thing is tight. Super tight. Okay, we got him plugged in. And ding. And also we have a key warranty. Cool. And of course a user manual. And table of contents. Blah blah blah. Fine print probably has some stuff in Spanish and French. We got some packaging for shipping to make sure it doesn't get damaged. And then inside we have the unit. Cool. More packaging. Under that we have nothing. Alright, cool. So the Aukey itself is in more plastic, and this is what the unit looks like. Looks like we have a power supply and the actual branding and light. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is give it some juice by plugging this in. You know, turn it around, facing front, and let's see if I can get it to turn on by touching it. And there we go. Nice light. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my studio light in order to see what this actually looks like. It's pretty cool. I thought that the vinyl records would be a nice backdrop. I'm not sure how to change the color, so I'm hoping it's a simple toggle. So I'm going to tap again, see if I can toggle. It gets a little brighter. Toggle again. It gets even brighter. Then it turns off. Okay, let me try turning it on and maybe touching the sides. Okay. That's cool. Okay, maybe if I touch the left. Nope. Okay, I'm trying to get a different color. So this may require me. Okay, you gotta hold it. So we got a nice little amber color, and it's switching from amber to yellow to green. Hopefully we can catch that. And now it's blue. That's cool. And maybe it'll switch from blue back to red, or maybe orange. We got a purple. That's quite nice. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's a deep fuchsia purple back to red. Okay, I'm gonna try holding. Now it's an orange. So it's got quite a few colors. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. It's off. So I'm guessing when I turn it on, I select the brightness and then I hold for color selection. And I'm gonna wait till it turns blue. And if I can select blue, that'll be the end of this tutorial. Got a nice little green. Okay, there's blue, which is my favorite color. It turned off. So let's try that again. Brightness, touch and hold, colors, and then I'll try tapping once for blue. That's what I get for not reading the manual. But it is an unboxing, so I know what you know. That's like when people talking in the movie, why did she go in the building with the killer? Tap. I know what you know. Don't ask me questions about a movie that we both seen for the first time. Alright, so got a nice little blue lamp here. We can have a red lamp, yellow lamp, orange lamp, blue lamp. It's pretty cool. Alright, Sabrella, again, this is the Aukey Touch Control LED lamp for studio ambiance. It's Bella, and I'm out. Almost at 5K subscribers. Thanks, guys.